Hey everybody, so I am out here in South Philly at my open house, and y'all know I wanted to go live, but I still can't go live because I don't have enough of you following me. So, Amanda Rocks Real Estate here. If you're not following me yet, please start following me so I can go live at my open houses. So today we're in South Philly. We're in Point Breeze, and let me just turn this around. You know I had to represent my Eagles here with my Eagles colors. So I'm gonna give you guys a full scope of the block. We got a lot of new construction up here on this block. So super desirable area. Open house today. I'll be here until 4. This home's been remodeled, so it's got a touch of the old and a lot of new. I love these original staircase. I saw one further down the block too. They're really gorgeous. And then this statement door. Just love it. I'll zoom out. As far out as y'all go. So, okay, let's go inside. So one of my favorite things inside is this second door here. Oh, let me leave this open. What I love about this door is that you can close it in the winter. It's a great way to keep the home insulated. In the summer too, because this house has central air. We've got a beautiful bow window. A lot of elegance here. So we've got the recessed lighting, and then we also have a more elegant lighting setting. So we've got the open floor plan. We've got a half bathroom right there. Just simple, ready to use. And the kitchen. So we've got beautiful 3-piece set. Granite countertops. You know I got my smell good candle ready to go. And this is my open house sign in for all of the peeps that come through. I just love this stove. It's nice, it's sleek. I like the setup, and you know I'm a gas girl. If anybody knows me, knows I prefer to cook on a gas stove. So we've got a washer and dryer hookup here in the shed area. And then out back, you know South Philly doesn't have a lot of space, but we got a little yard here, you know, a little concrete pad. So we're ready for you to have your little morning coffee, whatever you do. So we're gonna head upstairs. We're gonna go upstairs and see my favorite part of this house, which is the bathtub. I love to soak in a wonderful bath, but sometimes, excuse my echo, there's no furniture in this place, it echoes. Oh, nice staircase. So like I was saying, you guys know that I love to take a bath. And this tub, if you've seen my earlier video, you saw me marvel at how big this tub is. So we've got a classic look here in this bathroom with the subway tile and the circle tiles. But you can see it's new. It's been updated. And then we've got one of those smart mirrors. You think this mirror will make me beautiful? What y'all think? So, we got the back bedroom here. Good sized room. And moving to the middle bedroom, which is surprisingly large. Good sized middle bedroom, overlooking the backyard. And then the front room. Oh, first we got a whole closet. So they did remove the closet here, but you could put a wardrobe in there, or you could tuck your bed inside and put a wardrobe elsewhere. Really gives you a lot more options. We do have central air, but if you wanted to use the wall unit, that's available as well. And one of the other things I really like about this property is check out this original marble. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. So do we want to look at the basement? It's clean and dry. We'll go down there next. So I promise this basement is not scary. See, not scary basement. So it's not very tall here. Maybe 5'5" in the back here or so. And then it gets taller in the front. So not tall enough to finish, but clean and dry. You can use it for storage. Maybe, I don't know, exercise area, especially over here where it's a little taller. Got a newer water heater, updated electric panel. So everything's good to go here. It looks like at some point they had the washer dryer hooked up down here as well. So you can always move it back down here if you wanted. And see, it's like, it's tall enough you could make it a workout area or a play space or, you know, whatever you want to do. So let me know what you think of 2039 Dickinson Street in Point Breeze.